Hey everyone, welcome back. Here's how to fix the Deutsche Bank app temporarily unavailable error. First, make sure that your internet is working properly. Then swipe up from the bottom of the screen, look for the Deutsche app and then remove it. After that, open the app again. Then restart the device to fix temporary glitches. Next, head over to your app store, search for the Deutsche Bank app and update it. Updating your app ensures you have all the latest files and bug fixes though updated. Sometimes the bank servers are under maintenance. Wait and try again later. Avoid using VPN when using bank apps. That's how to fix the Deutsche Bank app temporarily unavailable error. Like and subscribe for more tech fixes.